Hello world, I'm PJ Dev, and in this part of the tutorial, actually, we are going to try to cover up HTML in under 1 hour. Well, so this is what we'll be going through. Uh, they've already been outlined over here, so we'll start from over here, and we'll make our way through to uh, the last topic of this tutorial. So let's get started. I have the timer over here, so let's start. Okay, HTML intro. um so first of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and we use it to add structure to our web pages. So you can think of all the content that you saw on web pages without any styling as HTML, whether it be text or video and audio, and a list and tables and so on. All those are HTML. We use this to mark up our web pages, and along with CSS, which is for cascading style sheet, and JavaScript. CSS is for styling, and JavaScript is for adding interactivity to our web pages. So let's start with the note. So, well, first of all, what do we use HTML for? Well, we use this to add structure to our web pages. So our web pages as I've mentioned earlier, well, think of if you visit any pages, think of the text, think of the list, think of the tables, think of the videos, the audios, and the images on those web pages. We use HTML to achieve that, and HTML is actually very essential if you want to learn web development. So we have two main keywords that we'll be going over: the hypertext and the markup. So as I've mentioned earlier, the markup are those tests, but in HTML we have more than ordinary text. So you can use HTML to add headings to our web pages, paragraphs, list, videos, audios, and so on. We have tables and etc. And what of the hypertext in HTML? The hypertext, actually, think of it as any text that when you clicked will take you to another web pages. And so that is used for the introduction to HTML. So I believe I can check this as done.